Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are diving into a Thanksgiving inspired look. So this is a collaboration video with Anya Stamper and always Arielle. So I'm super excited to be doing this, and we decided to show you guys what kind of Thanksgiving look we will be doing for this year's Thanksgiving. So you'll be watching this video on Wednesday and Thanksgiving is on Thursday. So happy early Thanksgiving to everyone out there, and I really hope that you have just a fabulous time with friends and family, and I am so thankful for every single one of you. So in this video we will be doing the Thanksgiving look that I plan to recreate for my Thanksgiving with my friends and family. So if you're interested to see that look, then stay tuned and let's get started. Beginning, we are doing this as a collaboration video, and I'm working with both Anya Stamper and always Arielle. Both of these ladies have their own YouTube and Instagram, and of course I will leave both of their channels linked up above in the iCards and in the description box. So please take a moment and go watch their videos and also check out their channel. So Anya and I have been working together for some time, and we do the Shop My Stash series together. We just did a recent video where we used all of our high-end makeup in our collection, which was super fun. But Anya's channel is very makeup focused. She does amazing palette reviews. She does great tutorials, both colorful and also diving into some neutral looks. And she also does collaborations with a plethora of different type of channels on her YouTube channel, showing everyone love and support, which I just think is so heartwarming. We talk almost every day, and it's just so great to get to know a person and just really have that growing friendship. And the second person that we are collaborating with here is always Arielle. Arielle is like, she just makes me smile. Anytime she says anything, I'm just like, she's just amazing. She also herself has YouTube and Instagram, and on her YouTube channel she is doing a plethora of different things. She does amazing unboxings, and she's also doing palette specific reviews. So she shows you swatches, she goes into details of the product, and it is just a really nice way that she's going through her collection but also giving you information about the product. So if you really are interested in product detail, Arielle's channel is very informative, and I just love the way she breaks down information when she's giving it out into the public. So it's really informative, and it's a really great time on her channel. She also does makeup tutorials, and Arielle and I did a very fun collaboration where we sent each other our top 5 lip products. So that was a very fun time. So I really got to learn more about what her favorite lipsticks are, and I realized that we both have a fascination and obsession with Too Faced. So that was really great. So I'm so excited to be working with both of you ladies. Thank you so much for doing this collaboration, and we are the 3 Musketeers. It is so cute. So for Thanksgiving this year, I will be using the ABH and Norvina Volume 1 palette, and oh God, I've been dying to dive into this, so I thought this would be the perfect video. And I'm going for more of a fall-ish look. Now this, I would say the Norvina Volume 3 is more of the fall-inspired palette, but I feel like there's still great colors in here that you can do a fall-inspired look. So let's dive into this palette, zoom a little closer, and create our Thanksgiving look. To prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original and blending it out with my fingers. The first shade I'll be jumping into is C5, and I'm using the Morphe E28 brush and applying that all in my transition area. Next shade I'll be using is E5 with the Sephora Pro Cream Shadow number 28 brush. And the next color I'll be diving into is E2, and I'll be using the Sephora and Moschino collaboration brush number 3. The next shade I'll be using is E1 with the Sephora Pro Flat Concealer number 76 brush. And for mascara, I'll be using the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, giving my top and bottom lashes a good coat. And for lashes today, I'll be using the Spooky Babe Cosmetic Lashes in the style Witchy Vibes. These are very full, dramatic lashes, and I think they really amplify any look. And to apply them, I'll be using some Duo Glue. To prep my face for foundation, I'll be using the FARISALI SkinTune Blur, and this is a primer and a serum. And for foundation, we'll be using the Tarte Face Tape, and I'm in the shade Rich Sand, and this is a double duty foundation. So this foundation is a little bit too light for my skin right now, like it doesn't match my chest, but I'm trying to use it up, so yeah. I know it's not matching, but it's close enough that I'm like, okay, it's fine. And for concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Deep and blending it out with the Illuminati sponge as well. And we're gonna set everything with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep. And for blush, I'll be diving into the ABH Blush Trio. This is a berry blush trio, and I love the shade Velvet. It is so pretty on my skin tone. So I'll be using that for my blush today. And for highlight, going back in with ABH, we'll be using the loose highlighter, and this is in the shade Sunset Aura. Wow, just wow. This is so blinding. Oh my gosh, you guys. So for lipstick, we'll be using the ColourPop. This is the Luxe Cream Lipstick, and it's in the shade La Lady. Super pretty nude. So here is the final look, and I like it. I think it's just a very quick and easy type of look, which is exactly what I was going for, because on Thanksgiving morning, I am like rush, and I really don't have time to like sit and do like a cut crease or like add too much. So I think this is definitely up my alley for the holidays, and I am excited about this look. I love it. This video is kind of like a trial run for actual Thanksgiving, so like I already know exactly how my makeup is gonna play out, so that should save me some time. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check out Always Arielle and also Anya Stamper. Of course, all of their video links and their YouTube links are down in the description box, so please take a moment and go over and check them out. They are both beautiful people, amazing YouTube creators and content creators, and they're just so close to my heart. So I am so blessed to call you guys my friends, and I am so thankful that we are doing such a fun type of video together. So let me know know down below what your Thanksgiving plans are. Are you hosting? Are you the cook? Are you traveling? Let me know down in the comments. I'll catch you guys there. Thank you everyone for stopping by and watching this video, and I really hope you all have such a blessed and loved Thanksgiving. You guys are all in my heart, and I am so grateful for every single one of you. So thank you, and that's all I have for this video. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.